guys, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about kubectl scale command. So sometimes you want to scale your port. Sometimes you want to scale your port either up or down. You are going to use kubectl scale command, right? Like you can scale your port without like editing the file and changing the number of replica set. For example, you can actually go ahead and scale your port. Like you can scale, for example, deployment. You can scale, for example, stateful set, for example. So let's go back here. So I'm going to tap kubectl get deploy. It will show me that I have two deployment. The first one is nginx. If I tap kubectl get port, as you can see, we have the nginx deployment and it has 3 port. That's why you have here 3 of 3 now. What if I want to change this to like 10 port, right? For example, can I scale this to 10 port? Yes. You say kubectl scale deployment, scale deployment, and you give the deployment name that you want to scale. Then you say hyphen replica, you are changing the number of replica. I can say hyphen replica. If I say hyphen replica 0, Kubernetes will kill this to 0, meaning Kubernetes will kill all port, right? If I do kubectl get port, as you can see, Kubernetes has killed all the nginx port. If I recall my command and say replica 1, Kubernetes will scale that to 1. So as you can see, 1 port running. If I recall my command and put it maybe 10, Kubernetes will create 10 port, right? And then you see a lot of port are being created, right? A lot of port are being created here. Then if I say kubectl get deploy again, you will see that the deployment will jump from actually 3 to 10, for example. Then I can go back. So this is very handy. Sometimes we want to scale up, scale down something, change the number of replica. You are going to use kubectl scale. And you can scale deployment, you can scale stateful set, you can actually go ahead and scale multiple things. You can actually go ahead and scale multiple things, right? So, but port, all the port, like I usually scale like deployment, scale stateful set, for example. I hope you like the video. See you guys on the next video. Thank you.